Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will be presenting about our assignment 1 of sustainable development with title of System Thinking in Life Cycle Assessment of Plastic Cup Production Phase. So this is our team members, which is Siti ALYAA ASYIKIN binti Ibrahim. Next is me, Siti Hidayah binti Jamel. Then Radin Puteri FARZANA NATASHA binti Radin Muhammad SHAMSUL ZAHRI. And lastly is Muhammad KHAIRUL ASRAF bin ZAINAL.
We use them for a variety of applications every day, and many are simply discarded after a single use. Plastic don't biodegrade very quickly and present a health, ecological and environmental problem. Nearly every pound of plastic we have ever produced is still in the environment, in ocean, in the street and in landfill. And this will only continue to grow as more plastic are produced. We need to change the type of plastic we use and how we use them. We need to do better at reclaiming, reusing, and recycling the plastic we already have instead of producing more. There are two types of recycling: post-process, post-consumer. Post-consumer recycled plastic are derived from end product, such as a water bottle, that have a complete their life cycle as a consumer item and could be reused rather than being disposed of. Plastic made from post-consumer material keeps away from landfill and direct it toward recycling plants, thus reducing plastic waste. Using post-consumer plastic makes sense. It competitive cost-wise, materials are available, and it has a positive impact on the environment.
Okay, the next is post-consumer recycled PET. PET or PET has a very advantageous properties for recycling. Its chemical structure makes it possible to add solid-state polymerization to mechanical recycling, thus producing food-grade recycled materials of controlled quality and with very low levels of volatiles. These materials can be used again to produce beverage bottles or for other packaging requiring high purity and controlled quality of the material. Okay, next is shown the PET examples, which is polyester yarn from plastic bottles. The first step we can see that the post-consumer bottles are collected and washed. The bottles are next shredded into flake. The flake are melted and extruded into fiber. Next, the fiber are spun into polyester yarn. Lastly, the yarn are knitted or woven into fabric. This product was invented from Thailand and often been called as Thai polyester. The usage of this product in textile industry certainly reduced pollution, dyeing and solid waste. Under several global standards, this product also have been certified under Standard 100 by OECO-TEX ISO 9001 in year 2015 and Global Recycle Standard GRS. Thus, this process also ensure an environmental friendly, sustainable operation and also products. Closing the plastic loop. This is a systematic change that addresses the root causes is needed a transition to a circular economy. The consumption of resources and impact on the environment can be reduced if materials remain in economic cycles for as long as possible. To achieve this transition to a circular economy, there is still a long way to go, and a great deal of joint effort is required from many players along the entire value chain. But time is short, and quick wins are needed to make decisive progress towards achieving the ambitious goals. So far, there are still very few successfully functioning and effective plastic recycles. One of them is the recycling of PET beverage bottles. Okay, national policies. Malaysia's environment and resource management are governed by the National Environmental Policy (NEP), which went into effect on October 2 and 2002. The policy's objective is to advance economic, social and cultural growth via ecologically responsible and sustainable development. They also want to provide a healthy, safe and productive environment for current and future generations. They also want to create a sustainable lifestyles, consumption and production patterns. In 2011, a movement called No Plastic Bag Day (NPBD) was initiated, prohibiting supermarket businesses from providing free plastic bags. The launch of NPBD was aimed at increasing awareness and reducing Malaysia's reliance on a single-use plastic. A RM20 fee was also applied to each plastic bag consumed at grocery stores and supermarkets in Selangor and Kuala Lumpur as part of this campaign in an attempt to shift customer behavior.
Okay, now I will continue the presentation. In this point, I will explain the reducing plastic waste. There are three characteristics that involve, which is river system. In river system, there's coursing through several Asian cities contribute to most of the debris dumped in the ocean. Plastic pollution stream through river basins highlights shared accountability across a system of cities and human settlements for leakage and protection. Strengthening municipal solid waste management system encourages shifts towards a circular waste economy. In regional cooperation such as exchanges, information, data and good practices, scales up city-to-city initiatives and innovation, and strengthens multi-stakeholder dialogue. Okay, next, in environment benefit has a two benefit. The first one is carbon footprint. Here is about the consumer and the companies are become increasingly aware of their carbon footprints. There is the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere as a result of their activities. Post-consumer plastics allow manufacturers to reduce their carbon footprints. The carbon footprint of producing 100% of post-consumer PET is 60% lower than manufacturing virgin PET, and this includes the energy required to collect, recycle, and remanufacture the plastics. The resulting product is high quality and allows for high levels of post-consumer plastics to be used effectively.
Okay, for this slide, I will explain about environmental benefits. Okay, for the raw materials, post-consumer plastic eliminates the use of virgin plastics, which is especially important as recycling rates are decreasing. Virgin plastics are manufactured from petroleum, which is a fossil fuel which is decreasing in availability. As it becomes scarcer, the cost of raw materials will increase, which will increase the price of plastic, while at the same time, the cost of post-consumer materials will remain the same, which is there will be little change in the price of collecting, washing, sorting, and processing plastic for recycling. Furthermore, when consumers recycle, supply and demand dictate that post-consumer plastic will become very attractive compared to virgin resins. Okay. For conclusion, the benefits of using post-consumer plastic are numerous, which is not only do they reduce the amount of plastic going to landfill or making their way into the environment where they can cause serious issue, they also can help companies to reduce their carbon footprint and eliminate the needs to use fossil fuel as a raw material. Furthermore, post-consumer plastic provides an opportunity for companies to become more ecologically sustainable and allows consumers to make environmentally conscious decisions. That's all from us. Thank you.